Hey babes, hey, it's your girl Lavette over at Goluckycharmz. How y'all doing today? Oh my goodness, y'all, this video hopefully is gonna be short, sweet, straight to the point. So come on in. Y'all know we don't do the whole intro. I am the intro, period. Today is, I believe, Wednesday, the 4th, October 4th. I don't know when y'all gonna see it, but that's in real time. Today is Wednesday, October the 4th. I'm sitting here getting prepared for my last charm scoops. And these, y'all, I promise you, is no regular scoops. I don't know where I'm looking. I think the camera over here somewhere. But anyway, today I'm getting prepared and ready to do my last scoops, y'all. Y'all know over the last year, I've been giving y'all all different kind of scoops, from beads to charms to croc stuff. I've been turning it up, okay, as we are dissolving. But it is getting closer and closer to the end of the year, y'all. And I promise y'all, it's bittersweet. Oh, my God. Every time I think about it, I'm like, it's going to be so different and so weird not getting up in January doing orders for Go Lucky. Okay? It's going to be so different. But when I decided to dissolve, I'm sticking to it. God has me on this journey of skin and hair, and I'm loving it. I also been doing other things for y'all. I've been bringing y'all into like a free-for-all, a shop with me. Like, y'all been buying skincare. Y'all been doing the beauty scoops. This week, tomorrow to be exact, we're going to be doing the perfume rollers, which is our fantasy rollers. They're perfume rollers, inspired by designers, and when I say they smell amazing. So those will also be on our live sale tomorrow. So make sure you're following or sending your request to my private IG page. It's called Goluckybabez, and I have my camera sitting up, so if I'm looking up, that's because I got the camera up. We're in a different position today. So make sure y'all following Goluckybabez. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to edit this video because I'm trying to get it up by noon, and I believe it's already like 10 something, 11 o'clock in the morning, and I'm trying to get it up there, and y'all know it take a long time for these videos to upload. So either way it go, when y'all get this video, if you haven't already followed my new page or been wondering where I was at, or y'all been looking and stalking me on IG and y'all can't find me, I'm here, sis. I'm under a private page. Goluckybabez, Goluckybabez, okay? No S at the ends. Find me over there. Send in your request. Make sure you bring positive vibes, positive energy. It's not just for business owners. It's mostly for people who want to be inspired or want to open up their own business. So you have to be somewhat involved in business. We're not over there sharing our personal lives and stuff like that. It's a business platform where we're using to either sell our products, encourage one another, motivate one another, share in each other's stories or things that done happen for the week. We go live every week over there. And like I said, that's the platform that I actually host my live sale. So you're welcome to join. Like I said, as long as you bring in positive energy, positive vibes, you're either willing to learn or willing to give. That's how our group goes over there. So anyways, that's what I wanted to come over here and tell y'all. We're having our last scoops. And y'all, when I tell y'all, these is not your ordinary scoops. These are our Luxx scoops. I'm about to show y'all. Give me a second. These are our Luxx scoops, y'all. These are our Luxx scoops. Let me get y'all some. Okay, can y'all see? Okay. There we go. So these are our Luxx scoops, and when I say they're full of goodies, they're full of goodies. And not only do I have one, but I have two baskets. So anything you see in here is everything you're going to see in here. When I say we have pens, planners, fun charms, inspired, non-inspired, we got bangles. When I say, just try getting through here, we got tassels, we got split rings, we got some of everything. Oh, we got the mixed words. Like I said, planners. We have different beads in here. Oh, we got brooches, silvers and gold. Like I said, tons of beads, bangles, pins, split rings. We got some silicone beads and focals. We have some non-inspired focals, like the little character focals there and there. We have inspired charms. We have tons of non-inspired charms. Like I said, pins. We have acrylic charms in here. We have non-designer focals, character focals in here. I mean, the list goes on, y'all. When I say These are our Luxx scoops, and you do not want to miss it. Basically, anything that I had on the shelf left when it's come to Charms, I put it in here. The only thing that I have tons and tons left that I need to get rid of, if you are just getting into the bangle business and you would like a really good deal, we can actually talk about, as long as you're willing to spend at least a minimum of $50. I probably have at least about 10 or 15 packs of 50 of just bangles. So if you are looking for an amazing deal on bangles, please message me on my IG or send me an email at Goluckycharmz at gmail.com. And when I say Goluckycharmz, that's Golucky Charms, Charmz. Please don't put an S, because if you do, you're not gonna find me. So let's put some more stuff in here. We're gonna put the rest of our soror charms in here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just splitting them up. These are the rest of the soror charms we had left in stock. We're putting those in here. These scoops you do not want to miss. They are only 40 cookies, $40, however you want to say it. We have the blue and white. I mean, look at this. Just goodies. Just going in. Just going in. Whatever I put in one, like I said, I'm splitting it up and put it in two. We have a few purses left, not many. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3. That's how we're going to mix up the purses. What else can we put in? I mean, when I say it's already filled to the top, I kind of have to leave some room because I have to scoop them. But I still, I think I got 40. I think I put 40 on the site. Basically, y'all better get while y'all can. These are some of our bling Luxx charms. These are the cute, super shiny ones. I said shiny, like bling, basically. So I'm gonna take some and put over there, and I'm gonna take some and put over here. Our sale starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's tonight only. Make sure you follow the page. Make sure you also sign up for our email list, because our emails have already went out for today, and we got one more email going out tonight just to give everybody a reminder. But when I say I'm not holding anything back, literally, I'm not holding anything back. The containers are empty. Like anything that I can find to put in here, y'all, I've been putting in here. I've been filling up this bucket for 2 days, y'all. For 2 days, I've been literally filling up these buckets. Now, we may do another scoop, but that'll be like fun charms. That'll be our last fun charms. But when I say everything must go, everything must go. We're on a time frame now, y'all, and the time has officially started counting down. You don't want to miss this. This is it. Once these are gone, it's gone. You're not going to be able to go to the website and find a lot of these charms, okay? Because I have took them off the shelves and I have put them in the basket, and they are now in our official Luxx scoops. Like I said, if you have been looking to get in the bead business, pins, focals, I mean, the list goes on. Everything is in here. It's something in here for everybody. And don't forget, this is the season of gift giving. So even if it's something that you may not want right now, you might have a child, an in-law, a relative, a friend that knows somebody, please tell them to go follow my page. Will actually be live tonight during the sale, so that's the perfect time to come over there, because you don't have to worry about sending in a request to participate in the sale. I just thought about that. I actually opened my page to the public for live sale, so you're able to share it. But like I said, don't be late. And if you're looking for croc stuff, we definitely still have tons of croc stuff. I promise you, I have not forgotten about my croc babes. Y'all turn is coming up next week. I will be having the patches and the faux leathers for 50 or 60, I think 60% if you get them during the live sale, and 40% if you miss the live sale. But it'll be all day for 2 days next week, Wednesday and Thursday. So don't miss out on that for my croc girls that's waiting. Y'all turn. This is for my girls that's into beadable pins, bracelets, bangles. This is y'all turn to show up and show out. And please come ready. Okay, you may want 1 scoop, you may want 4 scoops. All I know is it's first come, first serve. This is it. There's no more after this. I literally just emptied my shelves. I cannot pull this from anywhere else again. So make sure y'all tune in tonight. Like I said, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm super excited. I can't wait for y'all to come. Bring the funds and bring the energy, because it's going down. Okay, this is y'all one and only last chance to get into our scoops, and these are not your ordinary scoops. Remember, babes, these are your Luxx scoops. So make sure, if you haven't already, you subscribe to the page. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Goluckycharmz. Make sure you follow me on my IG, my TikTok, and my Facebook pages, okay? Goluckycharmz, and for IG is Goluckybabez, okay? With the Z, don't forget. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all tonight, okay? Dang, that light, that ring light got me looking all shiny and glossy. Honey, I had to sit back. But anyway, I done made a mess around here, y'all. I got to get ready to clean up my mess. I got clients today. I just had to come on here and do this video for y'all. I hope y'all come through tonight. Make sure your post notifications on. And I love y'all. Peace and blessings. Have an amazing night. I will see y'all tonight. Please come through and show your girl some love, because ain't no telling when I'm going to be back with some more goodies, especially for live. Okay, see y'all. Peace.